Hey everybody, welcome to our cooking channel Pans and Knives.
In today's video, we'll be making vegetable coconut curry noodles. So let's get into the recipe. You will need 1 bunch of spring onion, 200 grams of broccoli, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 dried shiitake mushrooms, 2 chilies, 1 cup of fresh tomato puree, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 packs of instant noodles. Let's begin with making a mushroom broth for flavor. So just add some water into a container and add mushrooms into it. Let it boil and then keep it aside. Then on a separate pot, add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it heat. Then add chopped chilies, garlic. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then add spring onions. Make sure you add the white part of the spring onions because we'll use the other part for garnishing. Stir it thoroughly so that it does not stick. Once done, now it's time to add tomato puree. And give it a stir. Once it starts to boil, add bay leaf for flavor and cook it for about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, keep stirring it continuously. Now add the 2 taste makers from the instant noodles packet. Once it starts to cook, you will see a change in the color of the mixture. That's when it's time to add coconut milk. And make sure you mix it well. Now it's time to add mushroom broth. And let it boil. Then add broccoli. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. And then set it aside as shown. Use the same pot to boil the noodles. Once the noodles completely boil, drain the excess water and place it in a bowl. Then add the curry that we prepared previously and garnish it well with spring onion leaves, shiitake mushrooms, and green peas. That's about it. Our coconut curry noodles are ready to be served. Looks tempting, isn't it? You have to try this recipe. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Pans and Knives.